Come test drive the 2026 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, power lift gate. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.